Hello, maybe you have a subscription that you have purchased from Google and then you cannot cancel or change your plan. So how to do it? You can see my account has like an activated subscription. You can see the icon, then you will be able to understand, yes, it is subscribed because others are not. So how to do it, like how to cancel the program? Just simply click on these 9 uh, key elements and then simply go down from your browser, and from all the options, like the other materials that provided by the Google, then find out Google One. So after going to the Google One, you will see your plan is shown here, Google AI Pro, so which was purchased by me, member since June 7 2026, but I'd like love to cancel this one. Simply go downstairs and enable other things if you would love to, but if you don't need to extend it anymore, just simply click on manage, and then after clicking on manage, or from here you can click to the manage membership, and then you will see all benefits, that the benefits you will get, and then go downstairs. After going there, you will see cancel membership. Just simply click on cancel membership, and then you can see it says you to confirm. Just simply click on cancel and then cancel membership again. All right, so it is done so far. No, we didn't need to do anything because it has not been activated here. Thank you for watching.